Okay, you have definitely seen this. It's one of the internet's most bizarre and honestly most recognizable visual gags. A super friendly greeting from this guy you trust, and then poof, he's gone. But how on earth did a simple video edit become a universal punchline? Let's get into it. It all starts with this iconic, friendly line. For millions of us, this is the sound that means you're about to go on some wild journey into science or math or philosophy, something that's going to make you think. But right as you're getting comfortable, he just vanishes. No fade, no explanation, just an abrupt cut and an empty room. It's weird, it's hilarious, and it has become this massive phenomenon all on its own. So the big question is, why? Right. So this is a classic case of the internet just doing its thing, taking something and running with it. Let's really deconstruct this viral vanishing act and figure out how a simple cut became, well, a cultural landmark. I mean, think about the first time you saw this. It probably just popped up in a group chat or a comment thread, totally out of the blue with zero context. It's like this little 2-second digital ghost that appears just to leave you either laughing your head off or just completely baffled. To really get the meme, you gotta understand the man himself. So let's talk about Michael Stevens, the educator who, completely by accident, became this strange internet enigma. See, Michael is the mind behind Vsauce, this hugely popular educational YouTube channel. And this is the part that's so important. This clip isn't from some comedy sketch or a blooper. It's from a serious, thoughtful video that's genuinely trying to teach you something. And we're not talking about some small channel here. The scale is just massive. The Vsauce network has a combined subscriber count of over 40 million people. This is one of the biggest educational brands on the entire internet, period. And this is the craziest part. The whole disappearing act, it was totally functional. It wasn't meant to be funny at all. It was just a simple editing technique, a jump cut, that he used to keep the video moving. That's it. Nothing more to it. So if it was just a boring old video transition, how did it become this legendary meme? This is where we get to dissect the anatomy of how this whole thing was born. So what the internet did was take this little clip and basically write a whole new language for it. Now, you use it to just bail on an awkward online chat, or to show that someone's comment just completely broke your brain, or sometimes it's just the perfect, absurd punchline that needs absolutely no setup. I absolutely love this description because it's so spot on. The meme works like a conversational trapdoor. You just pull the lever and poof, you're out. It's the perfect way to just end an interaction, instantly and hilariously. And this chart just lays it all out perfectly. The original intent? Totally functional, totally educational. The meme's meaning? Entirely social, entirely comedic. One was designed to keep the conversation going. The other is designed to slam the brakes on it and bring it to a screeching funny halt. But this is more than just a funny GIF, right? The fact that this disappearing man is so popular, it actually tells us a lot about the weird rules and rhythms of online culture itself. The real punchline here is the silence he leaves behind. So here's the absolute key takeaway. Michael Stevens might have created the clip, but it was the internet that gave it its meaning. This is just a perfect textbook example of remix culture, where the audience, not the person who made it, gets the final vote on what something is for. When you really boil it down, this tiny 2-second clip is a masterclass in how the internet works today. It shows our obsession with short, looping content, our need for lightning-fast communication, and, let's be honest, the simple fact that sometimes the most universal language is just pure, unfiltered absurdity. And that's really the amazing journey it's been on. It started as a totally forgettable, functional little edit. And now it's been transformed by millions of people into this complex, really nuanced social signal. It's a reaction, it's a punchline, it's an escape hatch, all rolled into one. So it kind of leaves us with one final thing to chew on. In our world of constant notifications, endless scrolling, just endless noise, maybe there's a reason we love this meme so much. Maybe the most powerful, the funniest, and the most relatable message you can send is just a sudden, abrupt silence.